line that actually had this gathers, and then the box neckline. So first of all, I have to draft out the box neckline. This is my armhole, this is my bust line, waistline, half length, hip, and the full length. So I took the measurement for the bust line, which happens to be 4 by 4, that is 4 inches length, 4 inches uh breadth. So what I did is that I went to the bust line, and yeah, this is the bust line. So forget, sorry that the line was not actually, let me drop it down a bit so that you can understand what I'm saying. Yeah, the line was a little off, which is supposed to be so. So now in this bust line, I'm going to come down from this waist measurements. I can use like 2 inches. Let me go down and go in like by 2 inches first. It's okay, let's say 1.5 inches. Yeah, so I'm connecting it directly to the from the side. Taking it directly to the uh, armhole side. Are you seeing it? Then I'm taking it straight. So let me explain what I did once again. I remove I remove 1.5 inches because I actually have to cut out the side first before I focus on the middle point. Then I removed out some inches too. But let me say it's not going to up to nipple because it's going to be so small. So I just remove 1 inches, 1 inches here and 1.5 inches down here. So I connect it to the neckline. Then I'm going to, trace it out. So what I'm going to do is that I'm going to cut it out. Then I'll show you how I cut the front side of the dress. Move it to a separate paper. As you can see me do, I trace all the measurements out because this is going to be the bust here. So I'm going to take out the nipple to nipple measurements, which I calculated from my measurements. So in the under burst, you can just reduce it by just an half inch is okay. You can reduce your nipple to just an half inch is enough. It doesn't need much. Yeah. So just you can reduce it by half inch each. You can also, you still get the same right measurement if you reduce it by half inch. So if your uh the midpoint, that's nipple to nipple measurement, is like 4, you can use 3.5 for the midpoint, which is also good. So from there I will connect it to the okay, so I connected it down to the uh I connect it from the neckline, just as you see me doing it. I connect it directly from the neckline to the bust points and to the on this on the under bust and the the full length. So I'm going to just quickly cut it out, as you can see me. Yeah. So this is going to replace the one that we cut out. That other one we cut out is of, like right now is of no use. So this is the right one to use now. Is this one we are going to add the wadding and all that too. So we just do that, we just cut it out. So I'm going to take back the measurements that I took the other time. I'm going to take it out. Are you seeing me? So now we are going to get out the v neck, that's the v line, sorry, I say v neck, the v line that was cut out. So I'm going to like join it together so we can actually achieve that v line that was actually cut out. So that's what I'm doing right away. That should be on your desired that should be on your own desire, how many inches you actually want it to go out for the v neckline, how many inches you want to cut out. That should be on your own desired way you want it. So after you're done doing that, you start taking out the measurement, you add it together and take out your measurement. So whatever inches you are getting, don't always make sure you add at least 2 inches allowance, because sewing actually, turning of fabric, all those things reduces the allowance. So put it in each line so that you don't make mistake. Put them in each lines, then measure it out. You measure everything out so that you won't make mistakes. Okay, so just like so, I've gotten the yeah. So right now I'm done drafting it out, so I can now trace it out. So I can now cut it out. So I just cut it out, and here is my pattern. You can see that it was very easy for me to, you know, join them together. It was very, very easy. So if you follow this process, trust me, you can never go wrong with it. After you're done, you can take a separate material. You can add the pleating, then you can put the pleating at the end of it. Are you seeing it? So you can now put the pleating at the end of it once you are done doing that. So this is actually how to achieve it. So if you are feel free to save this video. Don't forget to comment, like, subscribe and share, so like this you have achieved the style. So don't forget to comment, like and share. If there's any question, be in my comment section. Thank you for watching this video to the end. Until I see you next time. Bye.